KCI distributor of MTD products Cadet. It is a handheld trimmer. Here are some specifications. 4-stroke gasoline or petrol engine. Power is 173 cc. Gear 1 forward. Weight 30 kilograms. Starter recoil. A quick description about KOVAI Classic Industries. KOVAI Classic Industries is an established and well-known unit specialized in manufacturing and marketing of agricultural machineries and implements registered under SSI, Small Scale Industry, and NSIC, the National Small Industries Corporation Limited, with an experience of more than 25 years. For more details please log on to www.kovaiclassicindustries.com.